I'm Nadesh Florimon, and this is how you make jerk spice with 3 ingredients. When you think of the Caribbean, you'll think of jerk seasoning. This Caribbean staple is full of ingredients, full of vitamin K that's good for digestion and provide an assortment of flavor to your everyday dishes. There are 3 essential ingredients to making any jerk spice. From there, you are free to have fun with it and add your own flavor. But you must have allspice berries. We'll be using 1/4 cup. Scotch bonnet pepper is an essential ingredient in most Jamaican and other Caribbean dishes. It is very spicy pepper, so it's essential that you don't use too much. Thyme is our 3rd essential ingredient. You add a tablespoon, 1/4 cup of soy sauce, 1 cup of parsley, 1 cup of scallions, 5 garlic cloves, a teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/2 teaspoon of nutmeg, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 2 tablespoons of oil. Place it on the food processor, cover it up, and you have wonderful, authentic jerk spice seasoning right in your own home. Utilizing the 3 essential ingredients of allspice berries, thyme, and Scotch bonnet pepper, you are able to bring in a taste of the Caribbean into your very own home. Use this jerk spice seasoning to spice up your chicken and other meat dishes. Enjoy!